Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this very beautiful, elegant style party garland at home. All you need for this decoration is crepe paper. I have used crepe paper in 3 different colors, in pink, in gold and in white, and within a few minutes I've created this very beautiful backdrop. We'll take crepe paper in gold, pink and white color. We will keep the width of our crepe paper 5 centimeters and the length of it 1 meter. And we'll make strips of these, of all the colors. After making the strips, we will make cuts after each half centimeter, and each cut will be 1 centimeter deep. And like this we are going to make cuts throughout the crepe paper on both sides. The same way we are going to make cuts in all these crepe paper streamers. After we have made the cuts in all the crepe paper streamers, we'll open the streamers up. After we have made the streamers, we'll take a white color and the pink color streamer. We'll join the two edges together, and on the top side we'll put a piece of tape. Put the tape half for one side and then fold it over on the other side and join these two crepe paper streamers together. Now make sure that the two crepe paper streamers are of equal length. And on the bottom side, join this together with a piece of tape. This is a pink with white streamer. The same way we are going to make a gold with white streamer. Like this we'll join all the streamers together and make many pieces of pink with white, gold and pink and gold with white streamers. So here you can see I have combined the white with gold. Here I've done the same with pink and white, and I have done it here with gold and pink. First we'll hang the gold with white, then we'll hang the pink with white, and then we'll take the gold and pink, paste it here. In the same order we'll hang all our other garlands. Now we'll keep our double-sided tape ready. We will go to our garland. We'll turn this garland for the left side 1, 2, 3 times. And on the bottom we'll paste it with our double-sided tape. Like this we are going to turn all these garlands 3 times for the left side and paste it. Note that my garland is 1 meter in length. If your garland is longer in length, then you will have to make more turns. Please note that on the normal garlands, I've kept the length 1 meter, but for the pink and white garlands, I've kept the length 120 centimeters. Let me know in the comment section below how you did like this DIY. If you did like it, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do check out the other decorations on my channel. I have many other decoration ideas. Check them out and I'm sure you'll find something awesome to make your occasion special. And if you don't want to miss any of my future decoration ideas, then make sure that you click on the red subscribe button below and subscribe.